Start by taking 𝙎𝙪𝙜𝙬𝙤. Now clean the dates with tissue. Then cut open the dates and remove the seeds. For frying almonds, put some ghee over a pan. Now add 1 cup of almonds and fry it. Slowly fry it on slow flame. After frying, let it cool down and then take it out in a plate. Now stuff the dates with our fried almonds. Now you can either pour honey over the almond stuffed dates, or take honey in a bowl and dip in it, to avoid wasting honey. After dipping, strain the excess honey and take it out on a plate. Now sprinkle sesame seeds all over it. It's ready to be served. You can even store it in an airtight container. Alhamdulillah, ready to enjoy.